fashion show for you.
Yes,
We'll show you. I love this so much.
Hello,
Hello, Burkina Faso.
Hello, Burkina Faso. How are you?
We love this shirt so much. We appreciate this. Thank you, thank you.
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
And I think this is the best time to congratulate all of our brand partners and leaders from Burkina Faso. We are so happy that you were with us in our anniversary.
7th year anniversary.
7th year anniversary last October 26. Congratulations. We're very happy that we were able to spend time with everybody.
And congratulations also sa mga nanalo. To
Yes.
all the winners of our
All expense paid.
all expense paid to
yes,
Hong
yes,
Kong,
yes.
Sure Millionaire
Millionaire
Stockist.
Stockist.
So congratulations to all of you guys there in Burkina Faso, in Africa.
And also, thank you so much for coming. Syempre
Yes.
sa pag-attend no, ng ating mga brand partners from Burkina Faso. Don't worry, partners, even I'm talking in Tagalog, there will be subtitles. Thank you so much, partner Osmani, partner Fabrice, and to the rest of your team. And also, thank you for this shirt. We love this so much, and we will be wearing this several times for sure. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We are so excited to see that the Burkina Faso country stockist will be the #1 country
Yes.
stockist
Yes.
in the world.
Yes.
So please
Number one.
always
Yes.
inspire us,
Yes.
help a lot of people in Burkina Faso and Francophone neighboring countries that speaks in French, of course, in Africa. So thank you so much, and we hope to see you soon again. And we don't know if we're going to Burkina Faso very, very soon.
Yes,
So-
exactly. Your expansion in Burkina Faso is our joy.
Okay, so to Chairman Osmani and to all our distributors in West Africa, especially in Burkina Faso, congratulations, and I hope we can see you very, very soon. Keep inspiring
Yes.
more people, help them with our products, and help them with our business.
See you soon, partners. See you
Because
soon.
of that, we have a fashion show for you.
Yes,
We'll show you.
真似できないよこのスワッグ俺たちにしかないスワッグ肩の力抜いてラックラック遊び働いて曲書く